Hey guys, I'm here with my good friends Christina Reeder and Lamont Hampton. And Lamont is an amazing guy, and I want to make sure I get this video out to all my friends that might fit a couple of different roles. One is that Lamont has a nonprofit called Hope that I'm a huge fan of. And Lamont, growing up in Compton, saw that the relationship between youth, especially inner city and urban youth, and the police creates cycles of division. And he really stepped up and created unity in a proactive way, and in creating basketball and other activities where police and youth can get together and get to know each other and humanize each other. And Lamont, share just a little bit about Hope, helping others progress equally. I love it.
Yeah. The acronyms of it is HOPE, and it's the meaning of helping others progress equally. And the reason I chose the title is because the division in the world. You know, we need to help everybody, not just this particular group or this particular group. We need to come together and help our youth as a whole. There's a
Yeah,
lot of stigma going on between law enforcement and youth, and we need to break that.
I
And
love
the
that.
only way we're going to do that is to recreate opportunities to humanize each other. And that's where hope is coming alive at.
Now, Hope could really use a grant writer for one, funding in general,
Yeah.
but specifically someone who has some experience as a grant writer. So if that's you, reach out to me. Also, Lamont has got a new gig that I'm super excited about. He's been a mentor for so many people, but with working with express employment professions, he's really looking for businesses that are looking for staff. These guys cover your payroll, they cover workman's comp, they do the hiring and firing for you, and they've got amazing people that are looking for work that have the skills. So whether it's warehouse, manufacturing, any of the trades, construction, plumbing, HVAC, secretary, assistant work, these guys have an amazing group that they really take accountability for, and in bringing you the talent that you need to fill in, whether it's short term or long term. So Lamont, with I know you're looking for business owners or managers that are looking for staff. How would they
Mhm.
reach you to be able to reach out and find out more about express employment professions?
You can reach me at 801-499-3220. And the I people are hiring right now. You're going through this. Let somebody else take that off your plate,
Yeah,
where you can concentrate on doing other things. And then on the opposite side of that, help us put somebody to work. There are
yeah,
fathers out here, there are mothers out here that need to get to work to provide for their family.
you
Let
bet.
us do that for you. It's a win-win situation. We free up things for you to continue to grow your business, and you're helping put somebody back to work so they can provide and put back into this economy.
You bet. I love it. And where, what locations do you have staff right now? Like what area of Utah?
We cover all of Davis County.
Okay, Davis County. So
Yes.
if you know a business owner, you yourself are looking for staffing options, man, I could not recommend Lamont higher. He is an inspiration, just how he lives his life and becoming a really close friend. So reach out to Lamont, and bro, I'm super excited to see where things go with Hope, and also putting some more people to work and really helping business owners that are having trouble. A lot of business owners are having trouble finding good help, and you're really providing an incredible service. So thanks, bro.
Thank you very much. And I want to see you all at the next basketball game.
Let's go.